Okay, so here we've got a System 6A board. I see a lot of these 6As used for Firepowers, even though Firepower is a System 6. Anyways, there's already quite a bit of work done on this board here. So basically, everything had already been socketed, the Scambies were pulled. I went ahead and replaced the power input header. I don't like these Rotten Dog style headers that are used on here. So I went ahead and swapped that out for a quality ramp header there, and then also installed NVRAM onto the board. Down here on the driver board, we ran into quite a bit of corrosion. So all through, the top area here. So I pulled, all that. So these are all new resistors here. Went ahead and pulled this IC as well. Socketed that, replaced the capacitor, sanded all this down. We had to pull all of the 27 ohm resistors out as well. So we were able to reuse these, but all of the 4.7Ks and then also the 2.2Ks, those had all been replaced. We were able to use all of the 2N6427s. And grab this here. So the bottom 42C had quite a bit of corrosion left on there. I don't like leaving stuff like that on the board because I don't want that stuff to travel anywhere. So I went ahead and replaced the TIP 42C that was sitting here. So that's all good to go. We did have a locked on coil, so I replaced both the TIP and the pre-driver as well. If I'm pulling, the transistor there, you already checked all the signals were good, so it was obviously a bad transistor. But if I'm replacing the TIP, I'm going to go ahead and replace the 10-cent 4401 as well. So we are good to go here. I'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. And we've got, I scored a date and last game played, which was none. Get the lamp matrix dancing there. And I've got it set to free play, so no coin lockout coil. We do have a flasher that goes on and off there. And we'll go ahead and get this thing into test. So cycling through the displays first. Cycle 0 through 9 here. And those are all working correctly. And we've got all the lamps. And move into the solenoid test. So the flipper ground enables come on. Cycle through the standard 16 coils here. And then into the special solenoids as well. And so these are switch driven as well as computer driven. So we'll go ahead and test the switch inputs, which those are all working correctly. And getting into the last test here of Firepower. It's going to be the switch test. So going through diagonally, testing both rows and columns. Go ahead and test all the switches, and last switch is switch 58 there. And I've already got this thing set up for free play here. So, and with the NVRAM installed, it didn't boot into audits or anything like that. So you are 100% good to go here, sir. Thank you so much.